What's up, guys? It's your boy Jermaine got Bass back in another video, and today we got unboxing. So we doing a $140 unboxing from Linder. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, guys, let's get this unboxing started. So heard is guaranteed profit. This how the box looks. Not too big. Might be a shirt and have some. I don't know. So we'll see. Let's find out. Oh, it's Toronto this song. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, we have a shirt. So we have one. Oh, we have one shirt. Oh. Okay. So we have an all blacked out shirt. That's Supreme. Okay. Okay. So that's the first item. Whoa, okay. Sheesh. Also, he give me the value of each one too. Also, this is the. Oh, okay. So this is the most valued. Sheesh. So we have an Astro Royal T. Which is pretty good. And he gave me the value of each one to show me like, so that's pretty cool, man. To show me like the value of each one. Okay. I like this mystery box. And they both size large, so I should be able to fit them home, you know. But this Astro Royal T, decent. Woo! A shout out to Linder, man. I didn't know I got an Astro Royal T in there. But yeah, I like this. This is a nice mystery box. Got two shirts. I'm gonna cop again. And yeah, so I ain't gonna show y'all this. That's crazy, bro. Shout out to Blake, man. I want to run the little thing. So I'm gonna see how it fits first. So I'm gonna show you how the Supreme long sleeve fits first. Cause this is nice. So yeah, let's get it. Okay, guys. So here we go. The first item, the Supreme long sleeve. So large is my size, or medium. But I started wearing like a lot of XL to like have it oversized. But I like how this fit. This fit big too. So this is the first item. I pretty like it. It's a good fit. As of keeping crop, I don't know. I might try to keep it. I don't know. We'll see. But let's stay tuned for the other shirt. Okay, guys, this is a large. I forgot, like I could fit these shirts, but you guys can see, Astro Royal on the front, Astro Royal on the back. And you know, I really like this shirt. As of keeping the copy, I don't know yet. You see my little gut, but I like this shirt. I can add it to my collection, my little Travis Scott collection I got going on. So let me know what I should do in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys think this is a W or L. Me personally, I think it's a W, especially for what I paid for it. And these are well-known brands. These are just not some random any-known brands as well. So Blake, shout out to Blake. You're doing a good job, bro. Yeah, so we got the Supreme blank long sleeve. And I show her up. And if you guys enjoyed the video today, let me know in the comment section. And I'm out, bro. Gang in.